What is up, YouTube? It's your boy RJE Gaming, and I'm back with another video. Y'all know what it is. Today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfer. So, yeah, let's see what it is. Kind of scared right now because I haven't played this in a very long time. Okay, and I have an announcement. I was going to be playing games on my phone and games on my PlayStation 4. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be. Let me go to the setting. And we're about to begin. Let's see if I can get to 3,000. If not, 1,000. Let's try it. Oh, the base. Well, I just downloaded this game again, so I could do it for you guys. Yep. Hopefully we can get to 1,000. If we can't get to 1,000, then I'm going for 2,000. Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Bruh. Never. I never get that close to dying. Ever, ever, ever. Wait, guys. That was terrible. Anyway, I'm doing another one. It's my second round. No, that was kind of disappointing. I only got 85 the first try. Let's see how many tries I get to get 1,000. This is try number 2. So, let's see. Straight gangster shit. Straight gangster stuff. Straight gangster stuff. Straight gangster stuff. Straight gangster stuff. Oh. We got 100, y'all. We got 100. It's going. It's going. It's litty. It's litty, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Try to get to 200. Try to get this 200. Keep moving to 400. Keep moving to 500. 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Ooh, I almost died right there. Had a little glitch. That's something new. My phone never glitches. But it is Subway Surfers. So it just might glitch. Glitch. Mixed up my words there for a minute. Glitch. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna be doing videos on my phone, with the games on my phone and the games on my PlayStation 4, which I currently do not have right now. And I will be making vlogs sometimes. They're not gonna be real long vlogs. They're gonna be like 5-minute, 10-minute vlogs. I know that's not that great, but it's something, y'all. I try my best. But again, like I said, I'm gonna remind y'all every single video that we gonna have to do. We gonna have to try to get to 100 subs, then 200, then 300 subs. So yeah, let's do it, y'all. See, y'all gotta have faith in me. Y'all gotta have faith in me, man. That's all I'm saying. I'm blessed. I'm blessed out here. I'm truly blessed. Y'all just gotta have faith in the young kid, boy. Ooh, it's getting faster. But I will stand up to that challenge. Ooh, I almost died. Ooh. 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 Liddy. It's Liddy out here, y'all. It's Liddy out here, y'all. It's Liddy out here. Let's see if we can get to 1,000. Let's go, y'all. 1,000. 1,000. We getting there. We getting there, y'all. We getting there, y'all. It's Liddy up in here. It's Liddy up in here, y'all. It's Liddy up in here, y'all. Let's go, y'all. It's Liddy up in here. We got 800. About to get 900. No! No! We died at 886, y'all. No, y'all. Y'all. Dang, that's messed. Okay, guys, this is take number 3. I wasn't so satisfied with what I got last time because it was at 886 and we were on the road, guys. Well, that kind of bummed me out, so I'm kind of mad about that. Well, let's get it going right now. No, please don't die at 8. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? No. Are you kidding me? Take number 4, man. Let's go. Take number 4. Let's go. Bruh. Y'all got to be kidding me. Okay, y'all. This is take number 5. This time I'm going to try to get to 700. Because apparently I can't get past 25 and 26 and 78 and 95 and 85. So we just gonna go with the easy little 700 and see what we could get. And if we get 1,000, that'll be my dream come true. Because the first time I'll set the bar to 1,000. So I'm gonna be trying 700 now. Let's go easy on me. Don't try to dog me, y'all. The young kid still trying to make his way to 100 subs, so let the kid go. Let the kid rest. You know, my sister's birthday tomorrow. I'm trying to have a good day tomorrow. I might be able to vlog tomorrow, y'all. Just to let y'all know. I might be vlogging. Yeah, so I might be vlogging. Y'all never know. I'm gonna pull up on the kid. Pull up on the kid. Hey, pull up on the kid. Y'all see me. If y'all see me pull up on the kid, then I'm pulling up on the kid. Y'all know what I'm saying? I might come out with a vlogs. See my name, RJE Gaming. See, I kind of messed up the J with the G. But anyway, my name RJE Gaming. But I also do many more things. I do challenges, I do story time, I do funny videos, and I do vlogs. So, you know what I'm saying? Let the kid go. See, young kid doing big things out here. So yeah, I had to use that key, y'all. Don't mess with me. Y'all know I had to use the key. Don't mess with me. I'm just young and out here. But y'all know the kid flexing out here, trying to make it big. Trying to make it big in this industry of YouTube. See, who inspired me was really Cash Nasty Gaming. And if you didn't subscribe to him yet, you can subscribe to him. I'll put him in the link. Maybe not, because I might not feel like it. But his name is Cash Nasty Gaming. He has over 1 million subscribers, still staying strong. You know, he's a good dude, man. Check him out. Yeah, I'm kind of sick today. You know, but sick ain't stopping me. I'm still going. I'm still moving. I'm still pushing. Still moving. I'm still pushing. I'm still grooving. Hey, because we going to pull up on that kid. Being bad and bougie. Hey, cooking up double up easy. My niggas is savage from this. We got 37 rounds too. Grab. Oh shit. Woof, woof. Records or records. Got back his own pickers. I'm riding around in the car. It's a kill. Woo, y'all. We might make it to 700, y'all. No. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I had to use one again. I had to use it. Bruh. So, yeah, I don't know what to say about that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. It's kind of upsetting. I know I didn't get to 700 or 1,000, but it is what it is, y'all. The next video, I'm gonna be doing NBA Live Mobile, so y'all can see what the kid doing out here. Yeah, so we gonna pull up on that kid one more time today. I do 3 videos every single day, maybe even 4, maybe even 5. That's how you know the kid working out here. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video off on a bad note. So I'll see y'all next video. Gang, gang, gang. Stay hard. Well, wait, that didn't sound right. Anyway, stay blessed. Do your thing. It's RJE out here. It's RJE Gaming. And I'm out.